Good morning. There seems to be some confusion about the literature review instructions, so I'm making you a video of how to do it. Hope you've had a good weekend. Alright, so in order to find a peer-reviewed journal article about a limiting factor for photosynthesis, this is not just some random website. I want a peer-reviewed journal article. I would like you to use Academic Search Premier via the HCC Library website. So to get there, I'm off campus, so we're going to have fun logging in. It's going to be great. Go to the home page. See this button? It says Library. Click. And fun stuff's going to open. Now we're going to scroll down a little bit. Click on Databases. I like to go through biology, although Academic Search Premier is pretty general. You can use it for any of your classes. Databases. Scroll on down. Academic one file works too, but let's use Academic Search Premier. Okay, so you're going to use your username and password just like for all your other HCC logins. Hopefully this is saved nicely. Yep. Okay, and then here is your search box. So I'm going to type in photosynthesis. And then one of my limiting factors. I'm going to say carbon dioxide. Okay. Save yourself a little bit of time here. Unclick this one so that we're just getting the full text titles from this database. Okay. And do click this one, scholarly peer-reviewed journals. Check. Okay, and then click up here for search. All right, 859 options. Excellent. Excuse me. All right, so take a look. You want to, we don't want it to say this unavailable, because that's not fun. So you want it to say PDF full text. Effects of fully open air elevation on leaf photosynthesis and ultrastructure. Looks interesting. Let's check on that one. Thanks, computer, for providing me with interesting things on the side. Okay, so here's some authors. Let's take a look at the abstract. All right, elevated CO2 effects on a herb plant, meaning green and leafy. It's always good. I'm just reading through this quickly. Basically, it's saying improved photosynthesis under CO2. So that's not, I mean, there's a lot of things in there that maybe I need to look up, but I think that looks good. So I'm going to go over here to email. Click. Typing in my email address. Hey, check it out. It showed up. All right. PSN article. Okay. And then you need to change the citation format to APA. Okay? So it should look like that. Good? Good. Click send. Continue. I could go back and look for some more papers. But while I'm waiting for that email to show up, I'm going to get my Google Doc open. It's also right here in the assignment. Nice computer. Okay, and I'm going to go over here and see if emails come through. Refresh. Okay. Let's go back to the results list just in case. So what happens if, for example, you were to go here we still have an abstract, so you can get some information from this for sure, even though you don't have the full text of the article. And we do have PubMed and other databases, so you could look this up if this was your article, but mostly what you need here is the abstract, so this could work too. I'm just saying, if you got one that was that doesn't, this says it's unavailable, can be requested. Okay, it's the perfect article for you, but it might take a long time this week, but in future you could do that. All right, looks like my article came through. So here's my whole thing. I'm copying it right out of my email. I'm going over to the Google Doc. I'm finding CO2, and I'm entering in this thing. Let me take out that a little bit because we don't really need that. Okay, and putting my initials after. Oh, helpful that that's going in the link. We know what that linked. Okay. So there we go. There's another one. It's a different. Right. So now theoretically we should be able to get back to this by tab. Yeah, I'm off campus. But it knows that I'm logged in, so there's the article. So if I need to get back in there, or if I was not the one who found this, but I wanted to read the full article, I can click on that. Got it? Good luck. If you need help, you can go into Moodle. There are lots of ways to get help. From our, okay, right, my page looks different than yours, but it's okay. Over here on the right somewhere, there should be a library tab. Why aren't you showing up? Got research. It looks funny right now. I don't know what's up. You click on this thing, ask the librarian, and it gives you how to get in touch with the librarian. Okay, you can always show up. There's often there. You could make an appointment and work with someone for half an hour. Just make sure you have access to this assignment. Okay, this is the logo that will show up on the Moodle page when it's supposed to. Take care. Good luck.